Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you important points regarding ethyl alcohol. The points which I will cover is its class, fatal dose, fatal period, its active principle, and its treatment. The ethyl alcohol belongs to neurotic group of poisons, which is classified further into cerebral poison and then into inebriant poison. So it is basically inebriant cerebral neurotic poison. It acts up on the cerebral cortex and hence causes cerebral depression. Its fatal dose is not fixed. 0.35% of ethyl alcohol will cause death. Uh, if a person has taken 150 to 180 milliliter of ethyl alcohol in its absolute form, then it will cause death of the patient and is considered a fatal dose. Fatal period is about 12 to 24 hour. Active principle is ethanol. Its signs and symptoms include alcoholic smell when the patient is brought to medical department, headache, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, pain in abdomen, intestinal contraction, muscular weakness, cyanosis, optic neuritis, acidosis, stupor, respiratory failure. Medical legal points includes that the exposure is mainly accidental, mainly from the factories or the industries where there is production of alcohol, or alcohol is used for the preparation of many other compounds, including the household compounds, different chemicals, etc. Its treatment includes gastric lavage with sodium bicarbonate, IV fluids, usually the glucose drips, are preferred to give to the patient for maintaining hydration of the body. Then we must have to maintain the normal body temperature so the body enzymes will function properly. Oxygen therapy and artificial respiration must be given to the patient in order to support its respiratory system. Hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis must be performed in order to get rid of the toxic compounds which are continuously forming in the body, and then also to clear the body's blood. If you have any question, just comment it down. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.